Hi friends, let me show you this new LED monitor that I received for reviewing purposes. It's at 24 inches, it's actually 23.8 inches, and it's curved, so I think it's really nice. I'm going to use it. I'm going to change this monitor in my office, and I am going to use this new. Let me show you what you'll get in the box. Okay, you get an HDMI cable, the electricity energy cable, part of the electricity cable. The stand to mount it. Okay. Your user manual. These screws that you have to use to lock the base, the mounting bracket. And this is the actual monitor. So you can see it's a little bit curved. You connect everything in the back. Okay. And you mount it either in the desk mount that you get with the package, or you could mount it in the wall with a special wall mount. Okay, so it's a nice curved monitor. I'm going to install it and let you know how it goes. I'm going to take out the protective film, okay, that comes with it. Perfect. So now I can use both monitors. Let me configure it. As you can see, you can work on both monitors, and well, it's useful for you. This is a standard size monitor, a nice size monitor. It's kind of curved, and you can work in both at the same time. You have the controls back here. Okay. Okay. You have here, you can change the, well, everything that you need. Brightness, image setup, the color setup, always this setup. You can reset the monitor, change the input. So this is a really nice monitor. If you need a new monitor for your office, your home, this is a great option for you. Comes with all the cables that you need, and you can even mount it in the wall if for any reason you need to. It has the VESA compatible holes here. Okay, so really nice option. Thank you.